Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can import audio into your Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have an Untitled project open, and I have some stuff in my media pool, and I have some stuff in my timeline. However, if you launch it for the first time, all of this should be empty, the track should be empty as well, and you'll appear in the Cut tab as I did as well. Now, what you're going to want to do to actually import any audio, or videos for that matter, the same goes for both. What you're going to want to do is click here in the media pool, right click and click import media, or click Control I, and once you do that, you'll be able to select any files from your computer. Now, as you can see, I can insert a video, or I could find an MP3 file or a WAV file or any file that has audio and import it, and it should appear something like this. Once that appears, you can easily add it to your videos. Now, I'm not sure, I tried to add it to the video already in the timeline track. However, what you can also do is right click and insert the selected clips to timeline using timecode, and it should add another audio track, which then you can easily edit, and it will be separate from your video. However, you can easily just connect them. If you go to the edit tab, just click one and shift click or control click the other, right click and link clips, and now both will be linked. And that is pretty much all there is to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.